Yes, this is another time I want to show you concerning the first. Okay, let me say after the few minutes of the tutorial, this is another full time. So before I will go forward, let me go back to settle down my description and some explanation, which I said that I will do before you start the event construction. Let me go back. I'm going back to the app right now. Save. I'm going back to the app. This is the app already. You remember tutorial. So in this tutorial, after you have you click on this drop down menu. You click on the drop down menu. Already I talk about let me say configuration concerning when you want to install the app. In this configuration, let me explain a little thing before I go forward. This place we call it configuration. This one is delete. You want to delete the project out. This one is to sign the project when you want to sign your APK app to publish on Play Store or ABB file. This one is backup. Already I explain about it, how you can back up. This is the setting that how you can edit and do everything. So now I want to you will tell me if you don't know how to add icon. Icon is when you click on this green Android icon here, it will redirect you to put icon. When you click on that green icon, that red green, you click on here, it will make you to know how to put icon. From there, select icon from my gallery or anywhere else concerning these three options. When I click on this grid setting, this is what I click on. Then I don't want to go there. I click on this one. This one is to optimize the setting. So while this one is the drop down menu. So when I click on this drop down menu, I come to this configuration. This configuration, why these places, the target of these places, when someone that using old fashion of Android phone want to download your app or using Google Play Store to download your app, you will not see the app with reason. Sometimes you will get few users in your app. Many people have few users in their app. They don't know how to customize their app. So that is a very main reason. Sometimes your app is published on Google Play Store for a very long time, sometimes 1 year, sometimes 3 months. You have not have good downloaders because the app is interesting even to the people that have that are having low or old fashion of Android, like this old model of Infinix, Techno, and others of the Android version like Android 6, Android 4, Android 5, Android 7, all those things. So in this Sketchware does not provide us the normal target that we can use. So you have to configure this one. Every app that you are doing, you must make sure that you configure this place for your app so that your app can reach Android 12, Android 13, and your app also can reach Android 4, Android 5, and above. So with this one, this one we call this one minimum target, means the lowest version of Android that we can target. So from this one now, this one can only this app can, if the target is in like this, then Google Play Store or Play Store see that the target is by 21, minimum SDK version is 21 and to 28. It means that the app can only display to people that have Android version, Android 8, Android 9, Android 10. Sometimes may not work for every Android 11, but for people with Android 12, this new Android version that we are having now, it will not show for them. So that is why you need to configure this place so that you make sure that we need to configure this place so that we make sure that we reach every target Android devices so that our app will be able to have more users. So you have to delete this place. Instead of 21, you write 19. This 19 is version 4.4 Android SDK. Then this one is, you write this one 31 or 30. You can write 30 or you write 31. So let me use 30. So this one now means you target Android 12 and above. You understand now? Android 11 and above. So don't touch any other thing. You click on save. So this phone now, this app now that I'm doing now, it means you can, anybody concerning old Android version like Techno H5 of that time, Infinix or 6 of that time, Infinix or 7 of that time, Techno Pop 1, Pop 2F, all those things can use this app. But if it was that in that default time, that default setting, they will not be able to see it in their Google Play Store. When they want to search the app, they will not see it, but the app is in Google Play Store because it depends on the Android version that they are using. If they force themselves to see it, the Google will now tell them that this app is not compatible with your device. That's what they will write. So if you used to see that kind of a thing in Android Google Play Store when you want to download app, it means that the person did not set up the version SDK properly. So because of that, I finished in that one. I want to click on the app to open inside this. So in this very area, I'm talking about you want to know how to run on the logic block, that is events. So the event is what I want to do now, but I first of all customize this interface like you already know before, because I can make some introduction into it because of one reason. Some of the video I have made a very long introduction on how to do this, do that, the meaning of this, the meaning of that. You did not, since the video was not sent to you completely, you were unable to understand the whole thing. So like I said earlier that this tab is not necessary to be used. This one is not necessary to be used until when you are master with all those things. You can use them. You can use this linear vertical, linear horizontal to do this very tab. This one you can use this to do it when we know how to arrange it. So what I want to start, already I told you that every single app that you want to do, these two linear layouts must be involved. So first of all, you drag in this very one vertical, so that it will be the one to make something to come under by under, not side to side, under by under. Already I show you the difference between the two linear, vertical, horizontal. So you come to the width here, you expand it to match parent so that it will match the whole area of the screen. The next one is I want to make like web app. A web app is that when I want to say something like you want to do, like you to see in browser, like Google browser, you now type a website www.website.com. You send. And when you send, it will open in that same application like Opera Mini, all those things. So the logic is what I want to run. I want to run on the logic right now. Or I make another one that when you click on something, you click on a button, it will open the particular button. So what I want to show you now, let me say first of all, this is I have a vertical linear vertical right now. So what I need to do next is to drag and drop either a text. I want to use a text, I want to use a button, but I want to use button and web view. So we have web view here. Web view is when you want to make anything that will look for, that will browse in the app, either video, online video, or website, or anything that you want to do that want it to browse within the app, not to move the app to another application in your phone to do external view. This one means that to browse within the app, you drag and drop this web view. This is the web view here, web view. So, but I will not drag that one first to avoid distraction. I will first of all drag button and put. I come to the width, I match parent here, and now change the text of the button. I change the text of the button. YouTube. You see now YouTube. I want to drag. Okay, let me say browse our website. Like for example, you want to do like making some contact us, all those things. Browse our website. So when you start browse our website, you click on the save. You see the thing is changing now. Now you click on size. Mean that how size you want the thing to be bold. So the size I can choose like 18. Normal 1860 is normal size that you can choose for button, so that it will not distract the button. Another one is you are using the color of the text. Now there's a color. You need bold. So when you are using bold now, it means you are using this very particular one. This is color. Click on the color. Color is black. So I want to use something like purple. The color of my website is purple. Okay, let me say I'm using white. Then the background color will be purple. I'm using white for the text. Then the background color will be like purple. You already know about this one. I don't want to waste time. I'm just designing it. You see now the color is purple. So another thing I want to use on the background color of this linear, which you can press. This is linear. When you want to change background color concerning the body, already I show you how to change ID. This is how to change ID because this is linear one. So before you make anything that will contain you have to change the IDs. This is linear 1. You can do linear background or body, BDY. Anything I say BDY means body, linear body, so that you will know. You can write linear parents, you can write parents, all those, so that you will know that that one is the one that contains everything inside, so that when you want to do any logic inside the event, you will remember or understand the one that is linear body. You know the one that is containing body and all those things. So if you want to add another linear now, it will enter inside also. But if anything is linear 1, linear 2, when the thing is more, you will not be able to know which one you want supposed to choose, because linear 1, linear 2, linear 3, but you have to change the ID like I show you the ID here. And when you change the ID from here, so this is the ID, and when you change the ID, you'll be able to understand the linear and their placement one by one. So now let me drag and drop the text to the web view. I have a web view here already. I show you this is the web view. I have the web view here. You see, now I have placed the web view, but the web view now is something that if you want to browse up, it may distract this web button. So what you need to do is to click on this place. You click on it in case you want to, or you can still do this way. Let me do this way, not to go there. Let me do this way. You drag and drop a vertical or linear vertical. This second one, another linear vertical here. Okay, it's not linear vertical. You just drag and drop this horizontal one. And when you put this horizontal one, you click on this body. You click on this body. This is the web view. And when you click on the web view, I'm just giving you some idea on how to edit, not to delete, not to drag and drop delete, so that you put another one. If you put another one now, the idea of this one will change. This is web 1. If you delete and put another one, it will show web 2, and you will be confusing you. And so you drag, just put something. When you put something, what you need to do is to click on this one that is taking over everywhere. And when you click on it, you come to the height. You touch on wrap content, so that thing will become small. So when the thing becomes small, you pick it from here, then put it inside the linear. Put it inside the linear that you do. Then you now come back to the height and see match parents. Then you now click on this linear. Okay. Let me go back. You now click on the web, come back, see continue wrap content. You remove it first. You remove it. When you remove it, you touch on this linear that you put the previous. This is the linear one. You now come to orientation. This is orientation. That I want to change it to vertical. This is orientation. I want to change it to vertical. It's vertical instead of horizontal. It's not horizontal again. It's now vertical. Then the vertical now. I now want to make this thing to be coming down small. Before I carry that one and put, then I make this one. I made this one, the height to be like 500. You see now its height is being wide. Then I can carry this one now. I can pick this one and put it here. When I put this one here, then I will make this one to be match parents. Then I will now come and click on this linear 3, that linear, the body, not the web page, the body. And now come back and I type it match parents. So that means it will be able to demarcate this web with the other one. So then if you want to put something like picture, I will now come to now drag and drop. You drag here the image view. Already you know about image view. This image view, when you want to put picture, I drag the image view and put on top of them. Then I will now come to the image view and now come down to this layout gravity. I click on the layout. I click center horizontal, center vertical. It will come to the middle. So that when you do that, you come to the middle. From there you will now go and search for image. We have not yet upload any image. So what you need to do is to click on here. Or if you don't want to do, you can still use logic to take picture from web view to show in this place. So if you don't, but that one I will show you that one. But I want to make this logic to show you how to run on logic. This one I'm doing in so let me say user interface UI, the customization. Why I'm doing the explanation, because the other video did not reach you very well. So that's why I'm doing the explanation again. I should have paused and do the video, do this one thing before I start off. I want to explain them one by one for you. So click on that place that I'm showing you, the three dots. Then you come to image view. This image view, you come to this where you can add every images that you want to put in this place. This one is sound that even you want to add like music, anything you want to add from your phone, music, that's where you put. This one is font. Font means like you want to change the letter styles of that your website. Then you want to download external fonts, like external letters styles, either bold or robotics and all those things. I'm very sorry, I have incoming call. Okay, sorry, I was on call, somebody call. Now where I stop is font. I talk about fonts, how you can put different fonts, like style of the text, like all these things you are seeing, images, the text, you can change the style to either Halloween text, all those styles. So that's where you can put them. So this one is Java and Kotlin. That Java is like if you want to since you don't know about coding, that's how you want to use coding instead of block. You want to use coding to customize the app, so you can use it instead of block. Like someone want to use coding laptop to code application, you can copy that same code. If you want the app to be like that one, when you copy the code and put it here, then you set a particular area for it, it will still work the same thing. So this one is resources, the same thing. Like you want to import the resources file instead of doing coding. So that someone sends you the file, you want to upload it, so you import it from your device. Like they sent a file, like just for example now they say user interface, you want to do PDF, VPN app, so all those things. That's why this is the asset, the same thing. You want to input the file, this asset is also the same thing. You can import the asset file, then the thing will work according to the code, because that asset file containing some code inside. But since you are not the one that code, you get the like extension, you put it there. This one is permission. Permission is where you can add some custom permission, like if you want your app to access Android 11 or Android 12, you now make it custom one. You customize it, you write the thing, you put it everything. That's where you can. This is the Android app combat, the same thing. You can modify the layout. You modify the layout of the app. So all these are the custom blocks. Means that the custom block that you are using in app. So anything that you are using like custom block, the one that you have made by yourself, you have not made any custom block here. So the one that you made by yourself will be showing here. So all those native library, all those things are like resources, show source code. Like when you finish everything that you are doing in your app, this all the thing that I'm doing now, this is it here. You will see it. This button linear layout that I put in you. This one now is here, web view. So that's how they function. But now I want to talk about how you can upload those images. So from there you come to the image here. When you click on the image here, you open it. You click on the add button, plus button now. And when you click on the plus button now, you click on here. When you click on here, click on the plus button. You have to first of all put name for the icon before you upload this, so that you will not have any error. You put name, you write, if for example when I want to write icon, make sure everything is lowercase. You click on add to my collection, so that when you want to use it again, you will not be going to your profile or your mobile device or external storage to upload it. You will just take it from your collection. So when you click on it, then you click on this add image. When you click on the add image, either you have a pop under to select from where you want to take it, or it can take you to your phone. It depends on the phone that you are using. So you can mark as many as much as you want to add. You mark them or upload it, then the thing will come to your collection. Now I have some images or some photos in my collection. Like this, my collection now. This is what I have already uploaded, so I don't need to upload another one. I want to use this picture, so I import it. Now. I'm coming back to my editing. In this editing, this is the image view. You click on it, you come to this image here, you open it, you now choose the using, and the photo is now displayed. We have it here, you open it, that's where you can add the field. Now I want to play on the logic, how you can, when you click this button, the website will browse under this web view. That's when I'm going to the event now. Click on this event, you click on the event, then it's only okay. When you click the event, before you start, let me say, you click on the on grids. This on grids, already you know about it. On grids, you click on the on grids. You have to you click on this block. This block component is. And when you click on the block, we have variable, list. When you want to make something in list, this variable means you want to save things to a string. You want to say, for example, now you want to say number is equal to this so thing. So when you pick on every boolean, for example, now this boolean means when you make a name true or false or anything like that, say boolean should be false. Boolean should be anything that you create in a particular area. When you open a particular page, you create on this number means you want to say set. You see what it means? Set number to. So when you say number 22, you see now set number. You have not created anything number. So where you want to create variable is already you may know it. Variable is variable number. You can say variable number. You say number 1. You see now. So when you say set you see now number 1 now set variable number 1 to 22. So anything that you will play a logic, anything that you will play a logic that say when one this you're not to put this one again. Only put this one in on create. But when you are going to another place, when they say when one also number click, set this num 1 to appear. You understand what does it mean now? It means set this num 1 to appear in that place. It means that this 22 will appear instead of it to type 22 at once. You are using this logic to play on it so that they will not be able to copy the 22. For example, now if you open some application, you want to press an O to copy the text, you will not be able to copy the text. It means because they set it to a string. This is string. We have here string. So when you say set string, you have not set anything for the string variable. You now say set string to text. You say set string to welcome. You see now set string to welcome. What is the string variable? You come to this variable, add variable. This is what I'm saying, variable. You now click on it. You now say string. You now say okay, welcome note. You see now welcome note. You say welcome note. You now click on add. Then now say set this string welcome note to welcome. That means that when you want to do a text for it, you now say every time when the app is opening string. For example, now let me show you example. This is few. We have the few. You now say sorry, it's loading. We have here few. You now say text view. You have text view here. This is text view. You might have an idea about this text view. You see now, sometimes you used to type this thing by your ear. If you don't know, You see now, when button 1, if it is button 1, now say okay, button 1 should send text. Button 1 set text to, and now say text. You see now, I drag it and drop it. Instead of me to type this name, welcome. You know, so I'm supposed to type it welcome, but if I type it, someone can be able to press on it and copy in your app. But if you use string, you drag this thing. I'm going to drag it, sorry. What is going on? Okay, when you drag it and drop it here, it means that this boolean that you set to welcome, sorry, this string that you set to welcome, now this string is welcome here, then you have it welcome node. This is welcome. Now they say that set text to welcome node. Well, what is welcome node? Welcome node contain welcome. So those are the logic how you can use logic to run on. But now let me do what I wanted to do. I was doing the introduction to you. Although it's still the same thing what I want to do here. So that's why I'm introducing this place to you. Let me drag this one to delete. This way you can delete something. When you want to delete, when you press it and hold it, it will show you 3 options. Delete. This one is copy. You want to get the thing 2 instead of dragging another one and drop. Even if you want to get 5, when you hold it and copy it, you get more in the way as much as you want. So this one is to save the thing so that when you want to use it in another place, you will not come to this area to copy to find the yours. And when you save it there, you will be clicking on this very place. You're clicking on this bookmark icon, then you slice up this or what I've been saving for my, so that when I want to use it in another place, I will be able to get it. Okay, now we have something here, welcome note. I will delete it. This is where you can delete variable. You click on remove. Because since the thing is here, it will not come out. Now click on remove. I mark on that one, I mark on this one, I remove them. I don't want to use, I don't need them because I want to set another one. Okay, now that thing means the user interface was browse our website. So now I want to add our website now so that I will make it to show in the web page when the button is clicked. That's how to run on logic. I will show you another logic. So I'm doing this one and how to, with the meaning of button click, the web view, and how to do all those simple things. So now say string. String is for anything that you want to do concerning text is string. Boolean is you have a particular boolean means like there's a particular block inside this sketchware, then you are using it, then you want to change the thing to boolean that will be like anchor, so that you can be able to say if something. That's the meaning of boolean. Boolean say if something, then number say take something from here, you understand? And then string means make a text from the social place, you understand? Map is like to put things in a list, like you buckle everything in order. So that's the meaning of it. So now I'm using string. This is string, and now write string. I type my website name. That's string. The string. Okay, sorry, no string. I make it say like website, because you can add many strings as you like. It depends how you want the app, many things that will contain in that app. So that's why you have to make them simple, not the same name, different. What do I want to use it for? Like this string now, this particular one I want to create now, I want to use it for website. So that's why I'm using website, so that I will remember when I want to use it. Okay, after I use that one, website, I will now come to my on grid. I will now say set string. You see now, set string. What is string? This is the website. I set string website to this website address, and now type the website address: https:// www.unlimited. I'm typing my website name, unlimitedmonies.eu.org. So this is my website name. .eu.org. That's my website name. I'm not doing this is my website name. I'm typing so that when it's in show you will see it. I click on save. It means that this string, this website to become, instead of the name to be website, it now become this URL. That's the meaning of. So this is on grid. When the app is opening, on grid means that when the app is started working, being opening, when the thing is we want to start, we should state this number, this name, website to this social number, so that when I want to use this website, this is the website string here. So when I want to use it elsewhere, the website, the thing will know that this thing is become to this URL that I'm putting here now. So when this is also on grid, you should set this website to this social URL. So now I'm going back now. I set this one now. Then I come to this view, because I want to put it in using I said that view, that is view. This button, the button that we put. When button one click, what will happen? When button one click, what will happen? And now say I go to view. Ready? You know about view now. You must know about view. Okay, you have not opened this one. This is view. When button one click, what will happen? I click on view. And now say web. I'm going to, because I'm using web, I want it to open it on website. And now go to web. I scroll down. You will see web view. Okay, see it here, web view. Web view to load URL. You see it now. Web view to load. What's the web view? I put web view now. Web view 1, because I put web view 1. This web view 1. I select it. Web view to load URL. This to load URL. What's the URL that the thing will load? Instead of me to type the URL now, like www.youtube.com, I will now come here and pick, so that they will not be able to copy the text that is in there. See it here. I will now come here and pick this website and put it here. This is because the website contains the URL. So no need for me to type URL. I'm copying it here. So the web view want to load URL, which is the only URL. This URL. Okay. When this thing show web view 1, web view 1. Web view want to load URL. Okay, it's loading now. Okay, so even as you are using this phrase, even if you don't want to select it like this, you can. These are the things here. You can take one from it. This is web view. Under this variable, all these things are variable where you can take to make it will now recognize that this thing belongs to what you have placed in the other side. So the same thing. See, you understand what I mean now. This one is the button. Understand? So if I want to say like this button now, I don't want to select the button here. Even if I want to remove this one now out, remove this one out. You understand now? Then this place now is empty. Then I don't want to use that button. I want to use from this on grid where we put this in. Then I want to use here to make the button to work. I can still come to this block and then click on the view. When I click on the view, what I will say now, and then go to the view, go down to the last one. The last is there. When thing, when view, what is the view? Because all those things that we add, button, image, and web few is, they call them few. So what are the few? So when so thing is clicked, what will happen? And now come to this variable. From the variable, and now pick the button from this string. This is a fuse, and now take button 1 and put it here. He will still recognize it. Instead of me to say when button 1 click, I can stand here and make it without going to that button 1. So all those are the same thing. So when I make it, and I say what will happen, and I now copy that same thing, say view to load URL, and now come here and now take the web view also, that web view again, and now take it and put it inside here, because it will work inside here. If you put it here, it means that the thing belongs to this place. Even this thing now is under here, it means that it belongs to the old, but when the thing, something is entering here, it means that what will happen here is going to happen during here. Anything that is coming out being outside here will not work when this thing click. So if you put it here, it will not work. If you put it here, it means that when this thing click, this place, sometimes this thing, you don't want to pick this one like I show you. You can come to variable and pick here web view. You put it here to load URL. You now pick this one here. So I want it to be like a pro master in this logic something. So when you click and drop it here, it will still work the same thing. You understand what I mean? So these are, but let me use that because of the tutorial video. Let me use the other side so that you understand it very well. So and I finished that one. Now let me come to my click button. I click on it. I come here. I pick it like I show you. View. Everything that you are doing concerning, you want to pick anything from where you drag and drop is view. You are coming to view to take them. Everything that you made there is view. They call them view. So you are coming to view to take anything that you want to do concerning what you drag and drop on the screen. So when web view here happen, what will happen? It will load this URL that be in this website. You click it here and drop it. So when you finish it, everything as we have finished the logic now. It's not much. Like when this button is clicked, when this button being clicked, what will happen? It will show here what is the website that my website will display instead of displaying in another application. So what we need to do is to go here to set the app so that the app will be able to work. You have to come to this place. You click on it. You come to permission here. You come to permission, you click on it. What next? You click on this search to search internet, because the thing contains internet. Anything I want to contain that, you must search internet to use the internet to take permission so that the thing will be able to work. Then from there you now search on network, network state. You see it here, network state, network, change network state and network factory and network scan. That's the thing will load. So when you finish it, you don't have to do another thing now. You now come to this library. Always make sure set this thing up before you start doing applications to avoid error. See this thing. Only like I showed that thing in the other one. You have to make this thing to be on. You switch it on. You come back. When you come back, When you come back, then you run your app. This way you can run your APK. When you want to run the APK, so that you test it, see it here. You run the app. You wait for the app to run. So I will pause the video because of the duration. I will pause the video till the video run finish before I will open next and you start seeing what will happen. And continue waiting. It's not yet finished. As you can see, the thing is still loading. So I will pause the video till the thing is finished loading before I can open the app and test the logic. So continue waiting. Okay, the thing is now working. It's showing what I need to do. I want to install the app. So let me install it and we see how it's going to be. I'm clicking on the install. Install is installing now. The thing is being installed, the app installed. So sometimes you want to run the APK, you get an error. You have to start the video again, because if you make any mistake, you don't run it according to the way I show you, you have some error while compiling the APK. It may not allow you to install the app like this. So I open the app. I on my mobile data. So if I click on here now, it will not load because the mobile data have not yet loaded. So now I have on my mobile data. You have to click on it. When you click, you wait. Because you say I put something like loading progress bar, that when the thing is in. So if I want to put loading progress bar, I will show you how to load it to the progress bar. That when this thing is being loaded, this also thing will happen. When this also thing come, it will be like this. So see it here. This is my website. It's opening. This is my website. See, instead of going to another web, but if you want me to show you how to do it, I can take you to another browser. I will still run. The one I'm cleaning with this one, I will show you how to do it also. See, the thing is moving. It's going. It's going. You see it. Let me open one so that you will see how it browses. It will not go to another place. It's going. See now, only this way now can be copied. You see, only the web view can be copied. But if I want to copy this button, it will not work. It will not copy. Only this web view, because this one is web view. This is web view. This normal website now is browsing. See now, the thing is opening. It's opening. The thing is opening now. The website, that is adverts. I'm running AdSense on it. So you can see now out there. How you can see this is my picture. Where you see it now. That's my picture. This is my name, WC Jacob. This is my website. That's publisher. You can see it now. So these are the things I'm typing. The same thing I'm doing on video. I type here. Everybody, this one was talking about how to make call. That's the topic. How to make free call while your receiver pay for you. Like when you call somebody, all those things was something that has been going on. I made the video for it. So I've been having some viewers and others. So that is how you run the logic. So for this one now, I will put this one for you. Let me go back and add some few minutes for you before I post the video on YouTube. Then I give you the link. Another one now, since we have finished with this one, let me pause the video. Okay. This moment, another one time, that same pattern I want to use, but sometimes you want to know how to open this web view full screen. That can open full screen. Then all these other things that are here will not show. I will show you now how you can do it. How you can run on it. So when you want to do it, you come to the event also. You come to the view at the side under activity. You come to the view. You now click on the click button. And when you click on the click button, and when you click on the click button, you say when button one click, what will happen? You now come to the block logic. Come to view. And when you come to the view, you come to the view. You now click on view set visible. View set visible. View set visible. View one, because we have two things there. So that was why I asked you that once you want to make how do I call this thing? Make any view, you have to make some ID, change the ID so that you'll be able to understand what you are doing. Okay, now this view one, what's happened? This view body will still remain because the other one is containing the same view body. So what we have to do is to hide this button. Set the button visible to gone, not invisible. Then set the other one. We have another one, the image view. Image view to gone, that is to be invisible. That is gone, not invisible or gone. And when you click on it, then you load the app. Okay, let me do some logic before, so that then when the app is opening, and now come to this component. View. Not view. Okay, view. You come to the view. Now click on the plus button. Yeah, you click on this plus button. When you click on the plus button, let me off my data to avoid distraction from you and others of the. When you click on the plus, you see web view here. When web view starts, what will happen? You set the progress. You run a progress bar. Then we have not put any progress, but I will run it now. So this is what I open. You don't come back. When web view starts, like when the app is opening, web view will start. When the web view starts, what will happen? That's when you now come to the view. This is what we call progress. Progress bar. This is progress bar. You can put it anywhere here. You can put it inside this web view. You can put it in this web view. You can make it to be under this web view. You can make it under this web view, or let it be at the top. So the thing is that when this thing is loading, what will happen? You now come back to the logic. What will happen when the web view is loading? You now say set progress bar to progress. You now come back to view, because that thing is view. You have to take it from you. So when you scroll down, looking them one by one, you will see it. The app name, underpay. What is happening? You now see it here. Seek bar, set progress bar. So you now go to the progress. progress bar, so that you will know when the thing is loading. I want to make this one to be nice this time. Progress bar, sorry, I'm looking for it might take a short time before we quickly see it. Okay, view. Okay. Wait to continue looking. I need the seek bar, okay. Seek bar. I'm still checking it. Okay. Seek bar to set progress. Seek bar to set progress to number. You now go. That's when I wanted to number. You now bring out the number. You have not set any number here. You have to add the variable number. You now say number. You can write number. But even if you don't want to put it here, like this one now, we will not put it here. We only need this one to be here. This one will be on grid, in our on grid. You now say progress to number. You put it here. When the page starts, the progress will be increasing, adding number. Okay. We want that one now. Progress bar, seek progress to number. Then we now say when the thing is seek progress to number, web start will be seeking progress to number. When this thing, okay, progress to number. Then you now come to that variable. You now say increase, because you want it to start from 1. So what number increase? That is, this number now will be increased. And this number is in our on grid now. In our activity, on grid activity, what will happen here? We now come here and we drag this number, set number, like we did the other one, set number to 0, or we set number to 100. Understand? We can set number to 0. If you want to set number to 100, means what you will be doing decreasing. The thing will be coming from 99 to 1. Understand? So this one is set number to, that means the thing will be from 0 to be increasing. So that is this thing. That is the logic that we are doing. Then you now come back to this view. You now click another add. You will see now when page finish, when on this page finish, what will happen? Okay, you will not add this one. We are using it on button. When button 1 click, because button 1 will load it. I understand. When page is loading, what will happen? You will set this also number. When the thing finish, when button 1 click, let me say this one is when page starts. It start loading. When button 1 click, it will start loading. When the thing load finish, okay, it's load. When the thing is finished, what will happen? When the thing is finished, it will get this in from the URL. So you see the URL now is there, but instead of us to use the URL, that is why we are using from the on grid. Do you understand that? This one is meant to hide the view. That is, you come to view. Now say view. What is the view? You add this progress bar. Progress bar will be hidden. That is gone, because we have already hide the other one. When the button is clicked, the other one will be hide. Only the progress bar will be loading. Okay, then the progress bar is on. You now come down to the seek bar. And when you come down to the seek bar, you see now seek bar start, seek bar set progress to 0, seek bar set progress to maximum progress bar set intermination to false. You see now, and when you set intermination to false, it will stop. Seek bar stop, seek bar start. You said they add it. Set this in seek bar, variable. It will set the number to what? To 0. You understand now? After it, okay, now that is number. Okay, let's use that one now. Everything will come. The thing will start. I set it to 0, and the thing will be idle. Then the web view now will receive text from the distance from that very URL. Okay, let's run the app again. Oh, I'm pausing let me pause it. The APK is still loading. The APK is about to finish. Signing up. I'm installing it now. I'll open it now. Let me on my network. You see now it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. You see, I've never touched anything. It's still loading. That's why I'm saying it's still loading until it's finished. It will not finish because I've not. When I click on this, you see now the thing is loading now. So when that one will finish, when this one is finished, it will add it. Okay. Okay. I'm supposed to put it in my distance. This thing I see now is added. I'm supposed to put it in my on create button so that when I click it, it will be loading it. So that progress bar is showing. See now it's adding now. You see it now. So the thing is, all those other things are being added, and the thing is being opening widely. So that is how you can do it. When you see some websites, it will be showing. Let me say, even if I want to do like, I want to add like this is my website already, Unlimited Monies Blog. If you have known about it, sure. So that is how you can run on the logic of app. Why I was using the three. Let me explain the meaning of the three network that I add permission. This permission, the three network. I want to explain for you. Let me explain it. It's very very important to know. Sometimes in case you want to do something, see, we have I mark three network. This one is three network. Access network state mean the entire network, even if when you change from SIM 1 to SIM 2. So this second one is change network state, like when the network is like you have the APN, like access point package name, you change it. Either it was in flight mode while the app is still opening. If you don't know how to do it in this way, the network, when you open the app without network, it will not work even if you own network until you close the app and open it again. But this network change, I take permission. The thing is taking permission from it so that it will be able to understand when the network is coming back. So this is internet already. We talk about that one. You know about that one. This network factory concerning the old network, and when network is scanning, is also continue with the other one that when you open the website, when the network is continue scanning, it will be aware of it. Then when the network is available, the thing will continue load. So that is why I added the three network type. So you can see now this one that I put here supposed to be when the thing is increasing, the number is increasing, it was turning like this. You can set the progress bar, it was turning like this. You can set anything progress bar. Even if I remove it, I say set 0, it will still is increasing. If I want to make like I put a text. Let me do like this. Let me show you an example. Let me make an example here. Text view, but I have not added any text view. But I will add. Okay, let me add text view here. Let me add text view. Let me show you something. I want to run a small logic for you. I'm still showing you the components and the events. Even if this other website, I'm using the website method to show you what we call event. The events. So even if I don't want to use this thing, this progress bar, even if I don't want to use that, let me just add a text, another text view. We have text view here, text view here, text view. I come to this layout here, layout vertical and horizontal. Let it start on the middle, and now come to this text. I can write 0%. I can write. Even if I will not change it, it's still the same thing, but I can only increase the number to 20 so that it will be bold. I increase the size there to be bold. Okay, what will happen now? I'm coming to my events. When the app page starts, what will happen? When the app page starts, what will happen? We come to view. We come to the view, we scroll down, we look for text view. Text. This is text. text field. What are the text field? Text field 1. That are the text that we add. Text field 1 to text field 1. Come to operator. This operator. Operator, what will happen? Set the number. You come to this and, because we want to add something at the back. And join and. You see now? Join and. Set. You see now? The text that set the number. This number that we say number equal to the also number. Set the number. We now come to this variable. You come to this variable and you put the number here. It means that when the thing is started, the set text join string number. That is the number that we added. The number was 0, so it will join string number, set number, string number without decimal and this. And why I put the and so that I will put percentage, because it will be 1%, 2%, 3%. So even if I want to do like $100 each loading, so sometimes you may thinking that the thing is increasing number of your coins. If you want to do like ending up, so that you see what will happen. Set text to. So now I will now make a logic. I make a logic now. This is a condition. Is it now? If so number is, when so number reach, it will. You understand what I mean? What this mean now? Okay, let's go to my view, web view. And I don't want to use button again. I want to use normal this thing. Under my web view, you see at my web view here, load, get URL. Web view, go back to forward to clear check to stop loading. You see now, set the web view. This web view 1, stop loading when this number is equal to, see it here, when the number is cancel, when the number is, oh my I don't have enough space. When this number, let me copy it. I'm doing copy, I'm not taking it out of it. When number is equal to 100, or I can say is equal to, let me say equal to 50, it will stop loading the URL. So that when the URL is opening, see what will happen now. Let's run the logic. I'm pausing the video. The video is still okay. The APK is about to open. APK is still starting. It's signing up. You have to install the app right now. Okay, app not installed. What's happened? Okay. Why the app is not installed? Oh, I don't have enough space in my phone. Let me pause the video. Then I will show you the. Okay, the app is installed now. Let me open it. The app is opening. You see it's loading. I'm supposed to remove this. I did not want to use it now. Let me open. Let me load my website. Let me click on it. You see now the data is increasing to 1. It will be counting. It will be counting. When the thing is counting, leaving, it will hide this. Stop this place back loading. Stop this one loading. So it's opening. So I not put this one to be hide. It would have been. You see the thing is increasing 1 to decimal without it. So that's how we can run our Boolean and our event. So if you have any other question or anything you want to do, you will tell me in the comments, or you tell me